Wrapped in a Palestinian flag with his blue UN vest resting on top, the body of this UNRWA employee is carried by mourners through the refugee camp of Faraa in the north of the West Bank. The UN Refugee Agency said Soufiane Jaber Abed Jawad was killed by the Israeli forces during a raid. The Israeli military claims that he was throwing explosive devices at its troops. He is the first UN staff killed in the West Bank in more than a decade, and his death has sparked concern as other refugees in the camp fear that they too could become a target.
Every person in this camp is a target. This enemy does not differentiate between the young and the old, the elderly, women or children.
In the nearby city of Tibas, Hamas flags flying, Palestinians carry the bodies of other people killed in this Israeli intervention.
I woke up to the sound of an explosion. My brothers came and told me that my son had been martyred.
Israeli forces said Friday they had pulled out of Tibas after concluding a 48-hour military intervention. The army has ramped up its offensive on the West Bank in recent weeks, carrying out its largest operations there in decades, according to the United Nations. Last week, Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant said the military would use its full strength to strike targets in the West Bank. The Palestinian health officials say over 670 Palestinians have been killed on the territory since October 7th.